Hey guys, it's Brooke, and today I'm going to be filming a YouTube video with my mom. I'm going to be doing her makeup, so we're going to see how this goes. Okay y'all, so basically I'm going to start on her eyes first. So I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just going to use it as a base for her eyelids. Close your eyes, Mom. And I'm going to take one of these sponges just to blend it out. Okay. So I'm going to be using a mixture of this eyeshadow that I got from the beauty supply store. It's by Nikat, New York. And this Morphe palette. I think it's the 35O palette. So this palette, I'm going to be taking this color as a transition shade. Okay. So I'm just going to be applying this right under her brow. Now, okay, for the next color, I'm going to be taking this and also blending it in as like a transition color. Okay, so again, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then I'm going to use this angled flat brush to apply some concealer and basically cut her crease. It's makeup terms. What, Mom? Close your eyes.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so now that I've cut her crease, I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette. Where is the brush? Okay, so going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to hold up. I'm going to get this shade and pack it onto her eyelid. It's good, Mom. I'm going to take this other glitter from the palette, this shade, and also pack it onto her eyelid. Okay. So now I'm going to take a darker color. I'm not sure which shade yet, but we're going to figure that out. Okay. Thinking this shade.
Please don't have me looking like I have a black eye.
I'm not.
Okay.
Or I might use the purple, but I'm gonna use the brown because you just said you didn't want a black eye. So.
That would be ideal. Now I'm going to take this blending brush and blend it out.
Okay. Now I'm going to be taking some Maybelline Fit Me.
That's not the right bottle.
It's
I
not
had
the right
to
bottle,
mix
but-
two different colors.
But it's Maybelline Fit Me concealer, so
Foundation.
I mean, yeah, foundation. Thanks, Mom. Oh, I almost used the wrong brush. Whew, that was close. That was close. This is my grandmother.
Is it on now?
Yes, it's. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I already concealed her under eyes, so we already have it. So I've put on her foundation. Now I'm going to take this powder, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. How do you open this? Oh. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking these two lip brushes, okay, to basically line her lips. Okay. This matte velvet lipstick, but it's going to be like evened out with this brown. Yeah.
if you down, I'm down too. Yeah, high class, shawty's so bad. Hella swag, she got all these bitches mad.